There's very slow music, right? Can you hear me, Tommy? Open your mouth properly.
Cherished objects.
Sandwich, I'm dead.
Objects. Huh? Good morning, Philippines! I got one much hairy you gotta give me. Not really talking, she just moving lips.
Okay,
In
guys.
case you're wondering.
We're gonna make a video here, and this is a whisper challenge, okay? You see the title is gonna be whisper challenge, and so yeah, welcome to my channel, and I hope you can hear me. Okay.
Silliness, guys.
So the thing is, Tommy said first, put something in his head. Stop the cigarette thing. Okay, guys. Okay, tell me if it's cover your ear. Does it cover your ear?
Cover my ear, but I can hear you.
Of course, there's no music first.
I'll be blasting my eardrums out.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I can't understand.
Okay.
I'm not gonna be able to read your lips.
That's it.
I don't know what makes you think I'll be able to read your lips. Do I look like a lip reader?
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna see the word, huh? Okay.
Okay, show me the words you're gonna say.
Oh, you're gonna see it, man.
No.
Okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Can I hear you?
If you hear me, don't cheat on me.
I hear you, hon.
Oh, can you hear me?
Still a little bit.
Okay. Woodpecker book.
Say again.
Woodpecker book.
We did what?
Woodpecker
We bigger.
book. Book.
Book?
Yeah.
We bigger book? What the hell is that supposed to mean exactly?
Woodpecker. He's healing.
We beggar?
Woodpecker. Picker.
We better book out of here? We better knock it off? We better stop this shit?
He's healing. Okay. Blueberry muffins.
Ho. Talk slow. Blue what? Blueberries.
Muffins.
Blueberry muffins?
For breakfast.
For breakfast.
You're yelling. You're shouting, on.
Well, that was just logic.
Okay. Okay. Beautiful birds.
No.
Okay, beautiful.
Do one more time.
Beautiful. Not the music. Slow down.
No, how you music?
Beautiful. There's no music. Okay. Okay, beautiful birds. Beautiful
It's still beautiful. We keep saying it over and over again.
birds.
Bitch? Beautiful bitch?
Birds.
What?
Birds.
Bitch.
Bird with wings. Bird with
Beautiful birds?
wings.
Beautiful bird with wings?
Yeah, okay. Okay. My brain hurts. My
Pie?
brain.
Blackbirds in a pie?
No, that's a different one. My brain
What about your brain?
hurts.
I get none of that. Nothing. I can't read your lips.
No. Okay. My brain. There's no music.
There is music. Hey, jeez.
It's very low now. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. My brain hurts.
Your brain is?
Hurts.
Your brain is shorted?
Puppy boogers. Puppy.
My pay?
Boogers.
My pay pukas?
Boogers.
Boogers?
Yeah.
Your brain is full of boogers?
No.
You're a booger brain.
Guys, he's healing. Okay, wipe.
What?
Your
What do you?
pen.
What do you?
Pen.
Okay.
Wipe your pen. No, you can hear me now because it's allows music. Purified. Do you hear me? You hear me, right? You hear me? Purified.
Poor fight. Poor fight.
Purified. You hear me?
Bullfight.
No, you hear me. Wait.
I'm hearing you now.
It's not really good music. It's not really good headset, guys. That's why we don't get a thing. Okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Tommy. Tommy. No. Tommy. Hoy. Hoy, paminaw. Ulo, hoy. Tommy. 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 Probably.
Bababooey?
And you hear me, Han?
I heard that.
Can you hear me now?
Are you Verizon?
Don't
Can you hear me now? Verizon?
That's very slow music, right? Can you hear me, Tommy? Okay. Pressure. Here. Read my mouth. Pressure cooker.
Boo what? Boo.
Pressure cooker.
Boo.
Pressure cooker.
Bupachoo? What? Give me a break.
Pressure cooker. Pressure cooker.
Menu.
Pressure. Pressure.
Pressure? Blood pressure?
Cooker. Cooker.
What was that? That's not a word. You just screw with me too. It's just stupidity.
No. That's a cooker. Cooker. Pressure cooker.
Say again.
Pressure cooker.
You want to call Persicle?
Booty call.
Popsicle? Beautiful?
Booty.
Booty?
Yeah.
Ay, jeez.
Grape lollipop. Grape lollipop. Grape.
I carry that.
Grape.
Crap?
Grape.
Crap.
Grape. Grape.
Cream?
Grape.
Crepe?
Lollipop.
Oh no.
Lollipop.
Soda pop?
Lollipop.
Lip gloss?
Lollipop.
Lipstick? Chapstick?
Lollipop. Lollipop.
Is it rude?
No, lollipop.
What are you doing?
Lollipop. Lollipop.
Soda pop.
Lollipop. Lollipop.
The only thing I'm getting is a pop, or some kind of pop.
Okay.
That doesn't help.
Okay, guys, okay. He did good job some of the word, but he's.
What was the last one?
Lollipop.
Lollipop. Oh, I should have figured lollipop. Soda pop, lollipop. I could have forgotten.
Yeah.
I got the pop part. I keep getting pop, but I don't know. I figured you like.
Okay. Okay, I'm not. Okay, read some of that. Don't slow down, huh?
Oh, you tell me to slow down. Look at where the ass coming from.
Don't make your voice loud, okay? Because I can hear, but make sure that they can hear you.
Okay.
Answer. Okay.
Cherished objects.
They can hear you?
I'm sure they can hear me.
Okay.
Cherished objects.
Sandwich, apple.
Cherished.
Sandwich.
Cherished.
Sandwich.
Cherished. Cherished.
Sweet.
Cherished.
Hurt.
No.
Make sure that they hear you. Stab. Hurt.
No. Cherished.
Sour.
Cherished.
Huh?
Cherished. Cherished.
Sandwich.
Cherished.
Cherish.
Objects.
Cherish and guess.
Objects.
Cherish.
Objects.
Cherish, I'm done. What?
Cherished objects.
I'm dead.
Objects.
Open your mouth properly.
Cherished objects.
Sandwich, I'm dead.
Objects.
Huh?
I'm dense.
Like, I don't agree with you. I object. Don't agree. No.
No?
Object. I object. Object.
What?
Object.
Object. No, open your mouth properly.
Chaotic.
Like, hold on, the music is ending.
Chaotic.
Huh?
Chaotic.
Huh?
Chaotic.
Lalay.
Chaotic. Chaotic.
Huh?
Chaotic.
Lady Eye.
Chaotic. Chaotic. Crazy. Chaotic.
Crazy.
Chaotic. Plans.
Bananas.
Plans.
Bananas.
Plans.
Ben.
What's your plan?
Plan. Chaotic plan.
Yeah. This is just stupidity.
It's not really stupidity, do it.
Choicest.
Judges.
Choicest.
Choices.
Choicest.
Judges' choices.
Choicest.
Say it again. One word. Say it again.
Choicest.
Sausages.
Choicest. You were right the first time. Go back. Back.
Okay, but say it again.
Choicest.
Choices.
Refinements.
Huh?
Refinements.
Choices.
Refinement.
With vitamins.
Refinement. Like very refined. Refinement.
Choices with gay.
Refinement.
Luxury. Drinking.
Refinement.
Choices with.
Refinement.
With. Okay, say it again. Choices, honey, what is it?
Choices, refinement.
Okay, I don't know. I never heard of refinement, honey. And you know me, I don't know that word.
Chronic.
Rotted.
That's good. Chronic.
Rotted.
Chronic. Chronic.
Rotted.
Chronic. Continue. Chronic.
Running.
And chronic.
Running.
Chronic.
Running.
Chronic. Disease. Chronic.
Heart attack.
Chronic.
Running. Heart attack.
Chronic.
Dying.
Chronic. I am saying it properly.
Open your mouth properly, slowly.
They got stupid words here. Okay, how about this one? Checkered.
Cycle.
Checkered.
Sex.
Checkered.
Sex.
Checkered.
Circle. Square.
Checkered.
Squares.
Checkered.
Huh?
Checkered.
Check.
Checkered.
Check. all.
Checkered.
Checkered.
Check.
Check. Okay, what is that game? Chess. Cheese.
Checkered.
Checkered.
Career.
Korean.
Checkered career. Yeah. Career. Job. Career.
Checkbook.
Career. Gotta work.
Time check.
Career.
Huh?
Career.
Oreo. Time check.
Career. Checkered. Career.
Checkered.
Career. Job.
Time check.
Car.
Driving.
No. Car.
Running.
No.
Zigzag. Phone. Straight.
No.
Running straight.
No. What do you drive?
Driving.
What?
Driving straight.
Car.
Driving car.
Rear.
Rear. Driving rear car.
Career. Checkered career.
Rare.
Checkered career.
Checkered career.
Career.
Ay, Han. Uy,
This is a stupid thing.
Okay, one time.
I don't want to do it one
Okay,
time.
one time. You hear me? Okay, say it. Never.
Liver?
Never.
Lever?
Lever.
Lever?
No, never.
Lever? Liverwurst?
Never use.
Liverwurst. That's a cold cut. You know.
No, it's not a coconut. It's a never use.
Liverwurst.
Never use.
Never use?
Yeah. Preposition. Preposition.
Perspiration?
Almost there. Preposition.
Perspiration.
Preposition.
Preparation?
Almost there. Good. Okay, good.
Punctuation?
Apostrophe.
Apostrophe?
Yeah.
Apostrophe is this.
Oh, it's like that. Okay, guys. He says he can't really understand what I'm saying, but he really can read. He can read my mouth.
I can't. Your mouth is very hard to read. When I get something, certain things. See, the phrases you gave me made no sense. They were just stupid. At least don't use double negative. That makes sense. And once I get don't use double, then negative is the only thing that fits in there. At least that was common sense part.
Okay. So, okay, guys.
You give me cherries, career. Are you freaking kidding me? Checking careers. Give me a break.
Okay, guys. This is the video. It is done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Say hi. Hi.
Hey guys, don't try this at home. You won't like it. Believe me.
It's funny.
It's
guys.
not fun.
It's fun. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you.
And it blast your eardrums out.
Thank you guys. Bye. Thank you. That's really it. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Song. Bye. Fine. Put your tongue back in.
Okay, we're gonna go, guys. Bye bye.